Today it's sunny outside, it's not raining, it's not as muddy as before, and today is my goal to put the cable into place. This is 50 meters, this is 19 meters. This is a protection that I will place first, which is 100 meters. I got tape measure, laser distance meter, and some tools to cut myself into the woods. I am standing at the corner right now where I want to put the cables, so probably I'll go down there to the outside toilet and then straight down. Since I'm not sure how long the distance is, since I've never gone down there, it's very, very steep. I will first cut my way through here, measure the distance, and then see if my 70 meters of cable will be enough. I was again curious how my water intake looks right now, and it looks pretty good actually. Here's where the water intake was before. It was very little water. Now it's already flowing here. My filter is almost fully submerged. Definitely have to increase that, but this is good. I have to go fast with the cables, and then I can test the turbine completely with my 24 volts battery bank, and for a longer period of time without always carrying a battery there, test equipment, stuff like that. Been cutting myself through the bushes now. Right up there, following this line, is my house. I'm now at 27 meters or 88 feet. And I think this might be half the way. You can see the white plastic sheet I used for testing the other day down there. So 70 meters should be all right. I'll be making sure I pull down the 50 meter section first down there, so I don't have to connect it down here. I'd rather connect it here where I can reach it more easily. So first run the 50 meter section down there, and then if I have to add something, I will do it up here. Let's go. It is super windy today. Maybe I should have built a wind turbine instead. Just kidding. I will first unroll this protection pipe there, insert the 50 meters, and then I will take it as a bundle down there instead of first pulling this and then trying to insert the cable afterwards. I think it's easier to do it here and then go down once. Make sure when you unroll it, don't do it in a tight spot. Don't do it in the forest. It needs space to untangle itself. It's going all the way from down there, here, right into my garden. Now I will put this in there, see how that goes. I'd like to be like a cable company. I think they shoot it in there. Not sure how they do that, but I'm sure I can do it. I've now pulled the cable into the pipe. It was a tight fit, so everything had to lie perfectly, otherwise it wouldn't have gone in there. I kinked it here right now so they don't get disconnected while pulling it. Now I'll pull it into the position. Now I'm right about at the half my tree here, and already fed the cable down here. So now I can follow it, pull it all the way down and avoid going up and down right here. You probably can't see it, but it is very steep. Cable is here and it goes all the way up there. To see where it ends up there, maybe take a little bit of slack out and connect the second piece. Since we're already down here and everybody loves bucket tests, we'll do a bucket test. Starting at 10 seconds. Full. The bucket test, 5-liter bucket filled in 9 seconds. That means 0.55 liters per second. That means our flow rate has doubled, and we'll see how it performs with a 24-volt battery, but I'm expecting at least 50 to 100 watts with this flow rate, which is perfect. And cable is almost finished, and then we can take it into action. I got even further with a 50 meter than I thought. Thought maybe I could get up to here, to the outside toilet, but I got here to this tree. Now maybe to here, this 4 to 5 meters up. One time around the house, into the charge controller. So probably I'll now start from the charge controller, pull the cable here, and if I have enough cable I will make the connection right here. If not, I'll make the connection here at this tree. Cable was just long enough to reach from my house, from the MPPT, right to that tree. Connected them here in this waterproof box with the Vago connectors, these Whip-Klemme, we call it in Germany. Yeah, that's it. Cable is in there. I will now go inside, connect the MPPT, and then we're ready to go to install the turbine again. Cable is now inside. This will be the charge controller that I'm gonna use. It's not a smart one, therefore I need this cable. It's I think it's called VE.Direct connection. This goes then to this thing right here. I don't know what it's called, but what it does, it collects 4 VE direct connections into one USB-C. Therefore you just need one cable to the Raspberry Pi instead of buying I think it's these ones. They're adapters from Victron, and instead of using 4 ports from the Raspberry Pi, you can use this one, collect 4, and then one goes into the Raspberry. This is all hooked up. Don't mind the colors, I will change that. The annoying thing about the small Victron chargers is that the ports right here are maximum 4 square millimeter cables, and since I'm coming with 2 6 square millimeters. They don't fit in there, so I have to go from 6 to 4 and from 4 in here. Yep, that's it for this video, I guess. It's all hooked up. Now I have to get the turbine all set up down at the river again. And what else? I want to improve my intake so it can get more water, and then we will set it up finally. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you liked what you see. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye bye.